Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I'm going to show you Mr. Hafiz Muhammad Qasim Nadeem's excavator and what does he do, and he's basically fond of this thing and he loves it, and he's going to tell me what it is and show you how it works. Qasim, what is it?
It's an excavator.
And can you tell me what does it's made of? Have you got a few books up there? I just want to check what it is and how many pages are there.
So in the first booklet there is 367 pages, and in the second one there's 364 pages. So it's about 750 pages altogether.
And so what is it? Is it that building manual?
Yeah, that's the building manual.
And it's called excavator, you said, yeah? And how long it took you to build? You built basically from scratch.
Yeah, so it was over 2 days, 30 hours. About
30 hours. And can you explain me, show me what does it do and demonstrate it?
Yeah, so it can pick up stuff, it can drop stuff, you can do all sorts, you can program it to do different stuff. And you can open the bucket, which all pieces are in.
Oh, wow, that's brilliant. It's like a proper real excavator, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's also called digger, I think, if I'm right. And you are playing it with your mobile, is that correct?
Yeah, with the app.
So you got app and it's basically has got something built in there, isn't it?
Yeah, 2 Bluetooth motors.
Motors, and you build those motors yourself as well?
No, the motors are already built, but I built everything else.
You install them, yeah. And you said how many pieces were there initially?
4,100.
4,100 pieces, and mashallah, you built them yourself. So basically, you made this machine from scratch.
Yeah.
Wow, that's brilliant. Very nice, mashallah. I'm really impressed. And I can see a few cars here as well. What are these?
So there's a Porsche on the left, and there's a Formula One car on the right.
All right, and I would assume that you made them yourself as well.
Yeah.
That's very, very nice. Yeah, very well constructed. Uh, if someone wants to do this, what would you recommend?
I recommend just researching what you like, because Lego do loads of different kinds of stuff. If you like cars, then go for stuff like this. If you like boats, then they do boats. Or if you just like normal like Lego houses, you can search for Lego houses. Just do whatever you want, or you can build your own things.
Yeah, so you can make a few different things with it. Is that true?
Yeah.
That's very well done. And keep it up. Good work. And viewers, if you like this video, please like and share it. And in the near future, hopefully, we will bring some more different types of videos. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. Thanks.